Hi, this is Jake with Hardwood Reflections, and I've got the European Beech countertop right here. So this is a butcher block. This is incredibly heavy. I think this 6-foot piece weighs probably about 100 pounds. It's also super dense. So this thing will take a ton of abuse and it'll hold up to like the toughest kitchens, whether that's a residential or a commercial application. So we finish them with 180 grit paper, and then we also give you a right angle right here. And this is supposed to be like the A face side, and then we also have a B face, which actually looks fantastic as well. So however you decide to put this on your countertop, it's gonna look good. We have these angles, they're all at right angles. So what that means is if you wanna keep adding counter space to your countertop, it's gonna be really simple with something like this. Or else if this is all you need, you'll probably wanna take some sandpaper and knock down the sides right before you stain it. And like this will come to your house unfinished, so you will have to either stain it, put a conditioner on it, or some mineral oil. But this is a great product. It's super heavy, super dense, and it works really good in a kitchen application. Thank you.